Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn on the search privacy on your Pinterest account on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn on the search privacy option? For that, click on the saved option first. If you are just using a normal account, click on the profile option on the top, or if you're just using business account, click on the three dots and click on the setting option. After going inside the setting option, you have the option called profile visibility. Click on this. Now here you have the option called search privacy. To turn on the search privacy, just tap on this. Now hide your profile from search engine. So it will take several weeks for the search engine to remove your profile and boards from the search result. You can speed up the process with Google using their online tool. Okay, click on the understand. That's it. Now your search privacy has been turned on. This is how you just hide your profile and boards from the search engine like Google. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.